Hi, I'm Andrew Erickson, Marketing Manager at DPS, and I want to share with you the experience I've had as part of the DPS Telecom team. But I'm not just going to tell you about it. I'm going to take you on a virtual walk around our headquarters here in Fresno, California, and talk with real employees. They won't know I'm coming until I show up with a video camera rolling, so their answers have not been prepared beforehand. So what kind of growth opportunities are there at DPS? In my case, I had no real-world experience, and I responded to an anonymous ad on the web for a tech writer position. That brought me to DPS, and I started out producing user manuals and simple marketing materials. Today, just 2.5 years later, I manage a website that receives tens of thousands of visitors every month. I write a weekly e-magazine that goes out to nearly 100,000 people. I'm managing a small team of employees who are starting out where I did. My salary is multiplied 2.5 times. Now, I wasn't just handed these responsibilities overnight. I've had to put in a lot of hard work and learn new things every day. I've had to develop the new skills that I needed to contribute to the company's performance. But when I look around at other people who are struggling to get ahead at the same early point in their careers, I realize that DPS has offered me a tremendous opportunity, just like so many of my fellow employees here in Fresno. I'm earning more and I'm learning more. The qualifications I honestly list on my resume today are better than most people's lies. And the same opportunity is available to you right now. If you're bright and motivated to learn new skills, we're looking for you as much as you're looking for us. Now let's take a walk around DPS and ask some of my coworkers about their career success. Remember, they don't know I'm coming.
So this is it, DPS Telecom headquarters, Fresno, California. Let's take a walk inside. This is the front desk area where we field calls from all over the world. Testimonial letters from current clients who are very pleased with the way our products have worked for them. Magazine articles. We've been listed in a lot of different industry magazines for our work. It's a way to get ourselves out there. And these are success stories from people who have visited us or we've talked to on the phone, detailing how we've helped them solve their problems. And these also line the walls. Some more. This is our factory training classroom. This is where we bring in people every 6 weeks from all across the world and teach them how to use our equipment and improve their operations. There's production over that way. This is where we put all the parts on our circuit boards. And there's test areas over here. Final assembly, putting boards into metal chassis. Your internal web tools. Hey, Annette.
Yes.
What did you start doing? What was your first job?
Wiring. I worked in the wiring department.
And what do you do now?
I'm production manager.
All right. Chad, what was your first job here at DPS?
Web programmer.
And what do you do now?
Web manager.
All right. Well, there's me. This is my office. I started just in documentation, writing user manuals, and I'm now the marketing manager. Travis,
What was up?
what did you start doing when you first started?
I started in the CAD department.
Really? I didn't even know that. Okay. And what do you do today?
I do tech support and help out whenever I can with user manuals,
All right.
that type of thing.
And do you get to sit around the managers' tables at a lot of the managers' meetings?
Yes, I do.
All right. Thank you. This is engineering area where we design a lot of our future products.
Rights to be.
See, this is our sales area. Here's Joel Soto, sales manager. He started here just as a quote tech, entry-level job. He's now running a multi-million-dollar operation. Administrative areas, conference rooms, break area. Gotta eat. There's the fridge. Documentation room, where we're able to put together a lot of things onto paper. We make our own user manuals in-house. Anything that has to do with our product for documentation purposes gets printed in here. There's purchasing. Hey, Erica.
Hey.
What was your first job when you started here at DPS?
Parts room.
Parts room. Okay, and what do you do now?
Purchasing.
So has that been a big step up for you?
Yes, it has.
So would you say that DPS has good advancement opportunities?
Definitely.
All right, thank you. All right, here's our outdoor picnic area. We can come out and have lunch. It is a beautiful day today, and there's a nice cool breeze. And now we're going back to our new production building. Listen to that. Do you hear that? That's the sound of opportunity. At a time when most companies are shrinking, DPS has this whole building. We're ready to expand, and we need the right people. And hopefully that includes you. So we're currently using this building for a meeting space. This is our monthly luncheon area. So we all come in and we listen to the top people at the company speak about the future of the company. And in fact, we even get people who are just starting, taking our leadership and success training. They get to speak, and they spoke just a few days ago in this very spot. Here we have our new expanded conference room for our new and expanding management team. Back to the center pod here. More opportunity if you want it. And this here is going to be our new production area. You can see they're starting to move some stuff in. So this is going to be an expanded production floor for us. And the production area I showed you, that's our current production part of the building, will become office space. Now over there's the loading dock. Every day a truck comes up to pick up our shipments. Two more buildings on the DPS campus. This building over there is locked right now. We got some fun things in there. We have a anechoic electromagnetic test chamber that's totally shielded from radiation, so we can perform some pretty high-tech tests in there. And this building is our metal shop, and we're going to go over there now. Oh, I can already hear the activity. This metal shop allows us to do a lot of things in-house that most companies can't. We can build metal and change designs a lot faster. See over there we're powder coating, inserting hardware, making grind adjustments to metal, water jet cutter. Hey Jeff, what was your job when you started here at DPS?
Shipping.
And now what do you do?
I am the metal shop manager.
All right, good job.
Now that you understand the level of opportunity available at DPS, you know you need to begin our application process. Visit us now at dpstele.com/jobs to get started right now.